Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be talking about my 6 phrases that make guys fall for you. In this video, I will be telling you 6 phrases that make guys fall for you. At the end of the video, be sure to check out my website at www.hissecretobsessionexposed.com for more related topics. Number 1, support him. This one can be dressed up however you see it. But the point is to encourage a guy in whatever aspiration, dreams, goals, and ambition he has. Your support can inspire him to be a better man. When you're his biggest fan and he knows you're in his corner, he will fall for you. To do so, be the person he can share all his thoughts and dreams with free of judgment. Even if you think his chances of becoming the next Will Smith are slim to none, cheer him on and he will love you for it. 2. Tell him he is so smart. There is no denying that guys like to feel smart, manly, and strong around women. And the big part of feeling that way, knowing that you respect him and his opinion. Letting a man know that you think he is wise, smart, or brilliant will make him fall for you. An easy way to show him this is by making him know that you value his opinion. To do so, bring your tough questions to him, whether it is a matter of explaining worldly policies, history lessons, or a guitar tutorial. Let him show off his big sexy brain. When he does, you will catch him glowing, and better yet, when you are the one who makes him feel intelligent, he will want you to be the one to stay close by. 3. Compliment him on his style. The first way to compliment a guy on his style. Now, many people, when walking up to someone, think about complimenting their look. Have a great smile, you have beautiful eyes, you have nice teeth, you have nice hair, all those kinds of things. Not only is it a direct way to go and approach someone, one that most of us is scared to do, but it is also complimenting someone on something they didn't choose. None of us choose our looks, but we did choose our style. So when you go up to a guy and says, "I love those jeans," or "those shoes are so cool," not only is it safer and less direct, it is actually more meaningful. 4. Play with his masculinity. Show him how much of a man you really think he is. If a guy feels like a guy around you, he will want to be around you more. Now there is one amazing line you can use to do this. When you say to a man, "I feel so safe whenever I am around you," just saying that to a guy makes him feel like Superman. But more specifically, it makes him feel like Superman with you. Not everyone makes him feel that way, so if he feels that powerful with you, he is going to be drawn to you. 5. Talk about his dedication. When someone commented on a talented skill you have, it feels good, right? Well, he thinks so too. Find your man talent and talk about them. Similar to the looks versus style issue, you do not want to comment on anything too obvious, and try and be unique. If he is a full-time musician, then complimenting his musical ability isn't going to send him over the cliff. Instead, talk about the less obvious traits. Sticking with the music example, you could comment on his ability to focus or his dedication to his work. Those kinds of phrases will trigger a greater response from him because he is not used to hearing them. 6. Talk about his hidden trait. Let's say a guy is good at the piano. He probably been complimented on that an awful lot. So when he goes and plays, everyone comes up to him and says, "Oh my God, you are so good. You're amazing at that." It loses its meaning after a while. So now when you compliment a guy on the piano, you are just like everyone else. But if you can compliment him on the trait that makes him good at the piano in the first place, he will be much more sentimental about that. So it's just a discipline to keep playing every single day, even though it was hard to get to that point. That is something he is more likely to have meaning for than just being good at the piano. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel for more info and tips on how to get his attention and make him interested in you. Click on the link below. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. As for now, take care.